Hey, listen, if you want more customers on demand, if you want me to show you how to get customers whenever you want to, this is for credit restoration companies. It's also for credit specialists. If you are not in the game, if you're not a credit specialist, a credit restoration company, please don't watch this video. I only want the serious people that is looking to grow their business in 2021 to watch this video. Listen, this is not a how-to video. What I'm going to show you right now, I'm going to show you how I was able to generate 690 leads. That's right, 690 leads over 3 months. That's right, 3 months. I started off by running YouTube ads, and then I stopped running YouTube ads, and because I got a lot of traction in YouTube started ranking my video, and from there, that's where all the rest of my leads came. Now, I'm going to show you something right now really quick. I'm going to show you my ActiveCampaign account, and I'm going to show you the video that is responsible for all these leads. And guess what? You can do the same thing, and I'm going to show you how to do the same exact thing that I'm about to show you right now next week in my YouTube ad class, right? I'm going to show you that next week. I'm going to show you exactly what I did. You ready? Check this out. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm in my ActiveCampaign account. Now, as you can see, this is ActiveCampaign. This is the list name. It's called Dispute Letter Series 60 Videos. And if you go over here, you will see 696 active leads. Active. 696 active leads. This means people opt in and they gave me their phone number. Now, when you look at my video, you may ask yourself, well, Mark, what does this video have to do with the Client Dispute Manager software? It has nothing to do with the Client Dispute Manager software. These are your customers. These are the same exact people that's looking to fix their own credit. These are your customers. So why let me take your customers when I don't even have a credit repair business? I'm doing this to show you guys that what I'm about to show you next week actually works if you just follow my step-by-step blueprint, right? If you follow my step-by-step blueprint. All right, so let me take you over to YouTube and show you the video that's responsible for those leads. All right, so let's go over here. So we're gonna click right here and I'm gonna type in credit bureaus hate this letter. Credit bureaus hate this letter. Okay, this is the video right here. This one little video. This is the video right here that's responsible for all of those leads. Now let's click into my video. That they will not, right here, dispute letters, credit bureaus hate this letter. Let's go down. Look at this right here. Look at this. Dispute letters, 60 video series, same one. Dispute letters series 60 videos, same one. Same exact one. All right, look at the date, 11/4/2020. Okay, so when I say, guys, look, when I say that I can generate leads, I mean it. When I say that customers is the bloodline of your business, and if you don't know how to do this part, I'm telling you, you are wasting your time inside of these groups. You are wasting your time. I'm telling you, you are. But guess what? Guess what? There's 3 things I want to talk to you guys about. For every single one of you who have not signed up for my class for next week, let me tell you one thing. One, come Monday, the class will be closed. That's right. Come Monday, the class will be closed. So even if you try to go to the domain, we're removing the buy buttons. You won't be able to get a ticket. You won't be able to get a ticket. So if you're watching this video right now, I want you to click somewhere around in this video, look for a link and make sure you get your $79 ticket, and you can upgrade later if you want the replay, right? Make sure you get in, because come Monday, you won't be able to get in. And don't direct message me either, okay? You won't be able to get in. Number 2, this YouTube class is the last online training that I'm going to do. Oh, you heard that right. This YouTube class is the last online marketing training I'm going to do. There will be no more marketing training for me online ever. Okay, we're talking about paid marketing training. I'm stopping after this YouTube class. That's number 2. Number 3, what I wanted to talk to you about, a lot of you guys say that, hey, you know what, Mark, I want to do this, but I don't like being on video. Let's check this out. In the class, I'm going to show you how to make videos without being on video. I'm going to show you how to make videos without even showing your face. So you don't have to worry about that part. So the next thing a lot of people are concerned about is that it is too much work. It's too much work putting together a drip campaign, a calendar system, active campaign, emails and all of that. Don't worry about that either, because the email, the short-term email, the long-term email is already written for you. Now this is for the VIP plan, okay? We've already written out all the emails that you need. So when a customer comes from the ad, they go into your calendar, they drop into your active campaign, and the nurturing system starts. We already put that together for you. Now, as far as putting your entire drip sequence, calendar capture sequence together, I'm going to show you how to outsource that for pennies on a dollar, where you don't have to do anything. And this person or these outsourcers will do all of it for you for pennies on the dollar. And lastly, you may be thinking, well, Mark, it's too expensive. The $79 is too expensive, or the $197 for the VIP is too expensive, right? You may be thinking that. Well, guess what? Ask yourself, buying a new pair of shoes, if you bought a new pair of shoes for Christmas, was that expensive? Is that helping you grow your business? Just think about it for a second. 2021 is time for you guys to invest back into your business. So at the end of the year, you want to be able to take as many tax write-offs as you can. And that's why I said that this video is only good for credit restoration companies and credit specialists who want to grow their business. Now, someone else asked me a question. They said, Mark, is this training that's coming up next Saturday, is it good for any business? And the answer is absolutely. So if you have a tax business, a nail salon, barbershop, any type of business that you have, these marketing strategies can apply to that business. All right, so this is it, guys. Monday, I'm closing the doors. I'm not accepting any more students. Please don't send us a support ticket. Don't direct message me. Don't call us and ask if you can get a ticket. This is the last day. Get your ticket. It's Saturday. Get your ticket right now. Click the link anywhere inside this post. Get your ticket right now.